Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Michael Zuber, one rental at a time. I have a very special couple who has a wonderful, wonderful product that I have used, tasted, and it was yummy, yummy, yummy. Dana and Gary, how you guys doing?
We're doing great.
Great. Thank you. How are you, Michael?
I'm doing very well. So you guys were nice enough to come to our Fresno, my first Fresno mastermind,
Mhm.
and you brought me a little thank you gift in this little packaging here. Michael's, we'll just let people read that. And I'm like, wow, that's kind of cool. And inside were three different flavors of nuts. So first off, thank you for the gift. I love them. I've got bigger bags, so they're very good. But I want to talk about what is it like creating and running your own company? I mean, how'd this come about? It was awesome. So tell me about the entrepreneurial journey.
All right. You
You
want me
go.
to start?
Yeah.
Okay. So this was never thought of to be a business to begin with. Which turned into a business. So one of my side hustle when I had a W-2 about a year and a half ago, almost 2 years ago, was I became a mobile notary. So I'm a
Okay.
loan signing agent. So I help people close their loans with buyers or sellers. So there was a customer that escrow had sent me to. Her name is Nancy. So I went to her to sign once, and then there was a second transaction, and she had requested me. So Gary's mom makes the honey glazed walnuts at home. So these ones,
Yes.
but they weren't in this pretty packaging though. It was
Yeah.
just that she makes them at home just for friends and family. And then there was some extra. So I just put them into a little Ziploc bag and I took it
Yeah.
with me to Nancy's house. And I said, Nancy, would you like to try some honey glazed walnuts? She's like, oh, no, no, I don't like walnut. They're hard on my teeth. I'm like, no, 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 these aren't hard. These are actually crunchy. So then her son, John, was also there and I offered it to John. And John wanted to try them. And then Nancy's
Yeah.
like, no, I'm going to try them. So
Ah,
so I took it away, the fear of loss from her. And then halfway through the signing, she's like, oh, these are delicious. How
right.
do I buy some? I'm like,
Right.
I don't know. How to buy some? I got to go home and ask my mother-in-law if she
Right.
wants to make some and sell.
Yeah.
So I come back home and I tell his mom, I'm like, there's a white lady that wants to buy your nuts.
That's a weird statement. I bet you never thought you would say.
No.
So that's when we decided, okay, we'll test this concept since this random person likes
Yeah.
the nuts. We'll test it to other friends and family and see what their feedback is. So we tested it for a couple months and and we gave it out for free.
Right.
And we gave it out for free and then the feedback was positive. So we're like,
Right.
okay, I guess we can try to sell it.
Mhm.
So what do you want to call it?
I call them dem nuts.
Them nuts.
So
Dem nuts.
so
That's
the
awesome.
branding is from him.
That's great.
Yeah, so tell him why you named it DEM-NUTZ.
Because we can't use these nuts because everybody, you can't really eat these nuts. You can only eat dem nuts.
There you go. That's right. I think it's a very creative name. I think it's what you guys have done with it. I am curious, how many different flavors do they come in today?
So they come today. Carrie will show the honey glaze, which is the
I don't know if you can see
original.
that
So you
Yeah,
gotta
we
go
can.
quite closer. The
right
honey
there.
Honey
glazed
glazed.
walnuts.
I can read that. Yep.
So
And then you got the spicy.
Oh,
Honey
by the
glazed.
way, those are they're all good, but the spicy ones, little sweet, little hot. Those ones were like, ooh, I got to get me more of these.
Yeah, they're
Those were awesome.
fire. And then last but not least, we also got the honey glazed pecans right here.
Yeah, those are very good. Those are the ones Olivia loved a lot. Those ones are very good. So again, those these are something I have tried. I enjoy. So where could people buy them? Because I think they're great stocking stuffers. The packaging is
Mhm.
amazing. Where should we send people to get their own and try some? Oh, that's right. Talk about that.
So we started at farmers market. That's how we
Sure.
originally started. We went to two, but we're no longer in farmers market now. We do pop-up events. So
Okay.
those who are in LA this weekend will be in Burbank at the
Okay.
Jackalope. So Saturday and Sunday will be both days, rain or shine. We're showing
Okay.
up,
Mhm.
Nice.
and or online. So you can find us online www.dem with a dash and then nuts.com.
Yeah.
Okay, make sure you
Definitely put
spell
in
it
the
right.
Z. Don't put an S. Yeah.
Yeah.
Z.
Might take you to the wrong
A
side.
disclaimer right there.
That's right. That's right. And look at
So
and tell me about these bags because that was
yes,
Again, I have
I
mine as
know.
well.
So Michael got his, and then we wanted to thank all the experts that are on this channel. So each of the experts, so Gary's gonna start holding. So we made exclusive ones.
Wow.
Agent's nutsack's nice and fluffy.
That's
So
funny.
these are exclusive where we added the ORAT at the bottom left
That's
corner.
awesome.
So here's
Steve.
Steven's, Millennial Mike,
Nice.
the two Matts. So we're only going to show one, but Matt
That's
the
okay.
mortgage guy and
Yep.
Matt the lumberjack. There's
Omar.
Omar's,
Wow, Greg.
Greg.
That's awesome.
Wow.
Even Beth.
Beth?
That's what.
Yeah, Beth.
Ty's,
You guys are awesome.
Jonathan's, Dustin's,
Wow.
Anna's.
I have a lot. Anna,
you have a lot of expert, Michael.
I do. I was like, I didn't know I had that.
I'm gonna drop all these nutsack.
I got
Brian, and then
Wow.
Dion, and then anyone else that we miss, we'll make more and
Wow.
get them all
So
out.
I am curious. That's obviously something that's very cool. I love mine. It's on my shelf behind me. Is that something people can custom order on the website, or is that just a look at you?
Yeah, so you go on our website, you'll see two versions. One will just say nutsack without the name, so you can get it if you don't want to put anybody's name, it'll just say nutsack. And then if you want it with the name, you'll be able to type what name you want. And there's been some really creative customers that have put in orders of what they want at the top line.
Yeah.
One of them I had to ask Gary, I'm like, why does this person want this name?
Mandingos.
Ah, okay.
I didn't know what that means.
There you go. Well, again, this is why I think it's a wonderful Christmas present. It's fun. It will create laughter. I mean, I'm kind of the sick person. I would give that to my grandma. I mean, that's, I would make her laugh. Yeah. I would make her laugh. So this is why you got to have some fun. So again, www.dem-nuts with a Z.com. Please show some support. Go order. Have some fun with the names. And I think you're going to offer a discount code to our audience.
So
what
just so
that?
they know what it comes with. So with the customized nut stack, they get the 3 little sample packs.
Yep.
All of that goes in there. And
Nice.
Along with the stress nut.
That's right. I have that too.
So if you're working on a deal where
I got all stressed out.
Somebody's stressing you out.
Yeah, exactly.
Or you close on a deal like Michael just did, you could squeeze all that stress away too.
Yeah.
There you go.
What our discount is.
So currently our discount for all ORAT students are going to get a 50% off.
50?
Oh, 15, I should say. I still need to wake up. It's 15% off on the entire order. Just use the discount code ORAT, and it's going to expire December 13th.
Yeah. So folks, do us a favor. Again, I would only bring this up. I invited them on because I loved them. They were fun, and I like to laugh. I can imagine how many people on Christmas you can make laugh. So go have some fun with it. Go get your 15% off. Show some support, and they're great stocking stuffers. Dana and Gary, thank you so much. I appreciate you.
Thank you,
Thank you
Michael.
so much, Michael.
All right, take care. Thanks.
You too. Bye.
Bye.